So you put the cookie on the baking sheet and then cut out the middle. Push down really hard so that then it's easy to take out. And it doesn't matter if you like ruin this while you're taking it out. And then I'm gonna make stripes and I'm gonna like put some pink up here and then do a blue stripe right under that. Make sure to put a little, like it seems like a lot, but it's good to put a lot like this. And I'm gonna put green right under that blue. And then right under that, put some white. And now we're going to bake these.